Hey, this is Driving with Myles. I'm a state certified instructor. We're going to talk about putting gas in the car and backing out of a driveway. Whenever you reverse, you got to look left, right, and left. And we're going to go down very slowly, and we're going to look. So we have a little time, but whenever the gas is low, the fuel pump could be exposed and heating up. So it's 26 degrees here in North America. We want to take our time and drive smoothly. We're looking ahead. A lot of times beginning drivers aren't sure of the surface in the neighborhood. So as you see, and I'm looking through the GoPro right now, it is cold out here and you got to dress appropriately. I have some Timberland sewn shoes, hat, and gloves just in case you get stranded. So you always have to be prepared for the elements. So I'm just taking my time going down to the main street here. The speed limit here is 25. But I'm going 15 miles an hour. So let's talk about go ahead and making some turns. You don't want to hit the brakes real hard, you'll slide. And that was the ABS. You don't want to hit the gas real hard because you'll spin. And I'm gonna go ahead and just slide across the street here. And whenever you spin, you want to reduce your speed. So I'm just gonna take my time and let's go ahead and make a right turn here. And as you can see, I'm turning hand over hand into the turn and I'm turning hand over hand out. So I'm proceeding straight down the neighborhood. This car does have four-wheel drive, but that doesn't mean you can go drift and go crazy all around because you still can crash. You want to let the vehicle warm up, let the lubricants lubricate the transmission, rear end, and the car is still cold. You can tell by the temperature gauge, it's not even warm yet. So you don't want to rev the engine up real hard, go crazy in the neighborhood because it's not healthy for the engine. So I'm just taking my time scanning left and right. As you can tell, I'm looking straight ahead. A lot of beginning drivers, I'm gonna look at the speedometer. That's what they do. They stare at the speedometer. You wanna look ahead, you wanna aim high, and make sure you can see everything. So I'm just taking my time, anticipating people coming out, walking dogs, people out here doing winter activities because we do have beautiful snow here, and you want to be aware of that. You got to be safer, you got to reduce your speed, and you have to take your time. So I'm coming up to a corner and I'm looking left, right, and left, and if you hit the brakes hard, you're gonna slide. And that's the ABS anti-lock brake system doing their job. So I'm coming up, I have a nice slowdown, have a complete stop. I look left, right, left, and don't be scared to look through your driver's side window, because that's what beginning drivers do not do. And we want to teach you to do the right thing. So I'm going up and I'm gonna have to stop and turn on my left turn signal. So 100 feet, a half a block. It's still very cold out here, and a lot of these cars, they will give you a fuel range. This fuel range says 34 miles an hour, but you can't always trust that. So I'm taking my time and looking, had a nice stop. Now, a lot of beginning drivers overturn, and I'm gonna overturn, and I'm on the wrong side of the road. That's an automatic failure. So you wanna get back over to the correct side of the road. And it takes practice and it takes patience, because when you're driving in the snow, you're just not sure of the traction, you're just not sure of the surface. So you really have to be careful. I'm gonna make a right turn up here at the corner. I'm gonna show you if I steer too late. So basically I'm past the turn. If I steer too late, here's a wide turn. That's what beginning drivers do. So you want to steer just as the front end goes past the front part of the curve. I'm scanning left, I'm scanning right, because people will fly through neighborhoods, they're not paying attention. You always want to look, and then you return to center. I see the car on my left, I'm staying to the right, but don't get all the way over to the edge because you'll get stuck in all that slop, snow, and ice. I'm turning on my right turn signal, I'm looking left, I'm looking right, I'm coming up to the stop. Then I have a stop. Now I move forward, coming up to the main road, and I'm looking. I have a green, here's my gap, and I'm gonna go ahead and get into the second lane because I need to get over to the gas station. And I'm getting up to speed. The speed limit here is 50, so you're gonna have to get up at least to 45, and you can see what I see. So I'm at about 49 miles an hour, which is fine. 100 feet, a half a block, I'm gonna signal my intention. I turn on my left turn signal. I'm going slow on the brakes. As you can tell, the speed limit is going down, and I'm coming in nice and easy. I'm looking at the fuel pump. Actually, the gas icon, the icon says the tank door, the fuel doors on the passenger side. So I'm pulling up, and then I stop. So we're going to go ahead and show you what to do and how to put gasoline in here. So obviously you want to shut off the vehicle. You want to go ahead and, this has to push to start. So I'm going to shut it off. And I had the key in my pocket. I always had the key with you. So I'm walking out, walking around, as you can tell. I hit the button, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use what I need. So, and then I want to say thank you. Have a blessed day.